Welcome to today's update on the wheat market from Ajayastro Muniguru, where we provide the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In this video, we'll dive into the recent developments in the wheat futures market, focusing on the price rally seen across the major US exchanges. In recent developments, wheat futures have shown a strong rally across the major US exchanges, with notable gains across Chicago, Kansas City, and Minneapolis markets. As of September 14, the December Chicago wheat futures surged by 27 cents, marking a 4.89% increase. Kansas City December wheat followed closely with a rise of 22 cents, up by 3.90%, while December spring wheat in Minneapolis advanced by 21.75 cents, reflecting a 3.54% jump. This price surge comes in light of the USDA's recent WASDE report, which kept the U.S. wheat balance sheet unchanged for the 2024-25 marketing year, with projected carryout still at 828 million bushels. However, on a global scale, wheat stocks were revised upwards by 0.6 million metric tons, bringing the global total to 257.22 MMT, mainly driven by updated production data from Canada. Further supporting the wheat market, the U.S. Department of Agriculture's latest crop progress report showed that 85% of the spring wheat harvest was completed as of September 8. In addition, winter wheat planting has started, reaching 6% completion by the previous Sunday. Export sales for the 2024-25 season also showed signs of improvement, with 475,875 metric tons of wheat being sold in the week ending September 5. Lastly, the Commitment of Traders (COT) report revealed a reduction in speculative short positions. As of September 10, speculators at the Chicago Board of Trade reduced their net short positions by 13,227 contracts, bringing the total to 29,397 contracts. Similarly, Kansas City wheat saw a reduction in net short positions by 8,727 contracts, leaving 18,510 contracts by September 10. The steady rise in wheat prices reflects growing optimism in the market, buoyed by improving export data, solid harvest progress, and speculator positioning adjustments. This wheat market rally underscores the bullish sentiment as traders react to improved fundamentals and speculative adjustments across key exchanges. Thank you for tuning in to today's wheat market update from Ajayastro Muniguru. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and updates on the latest commodity trends. Stay informed, stay ahead with Ajayastro Muniguru. See you next time.